Hey, gorgeous goal-getters. Welcome to a journey where dreams meet reality. Want to turn dreams into reality? Of course you do. We all have those incredible visions that light up our hearts and minds. We all have aspirations, those big, beautiful visions for our lives. Whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or simply living a healthier lifestyle, our dreams are what drive us forward. But sometimes, those dreams feel kind of fuzzy. They can seem distant, like stars in the night sky, beautiful but out of reach, like trying to catch smoke, right? It's frustrating when you can't quite grasp what you want or how to get there. That's where SMART goals come in, my friend. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These criteria help you turn those nebulous dreams into concrete plans. Think of them as your secret weapon, your GPS to success. Just like a GPS guides you to your destination, SMART goals provide a clear path to achieving your dreams. SMART goals provide the clarity, focus, and motivation you need to make those dreams a reality. They break down your big vision into manageable steps, making the journey less overwhelming and more achievable. Ready to ditch the overwhelm and step into your power? Imagine waking up every day with a clear sense of purpose, knowing exactly what you need to do to move closer to your dreams. Let's dive into the magic of SMART goals. We'll explore each element in detail so you can start setting goals that are not just dreams, but actionable plans. First, let's talk about being specific. A goal needs to be clear and specific, so you know exactly what you're aiming for. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and eating a balanced diet. Next, measurable. You need to track your progress. This means having concrete criteria for measuring your progress. For example, if your goal is to write a book, set a target of writing 500 words a day. Achievable is all about setting realistic goals. It's great to aim high, but your goals should be attainable. If you set a goal that's too far out of reach, you might get discouraged. Break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Relevant means your goals should matter to you. They should align with your values and long-term objectives. Ask yourself why the goal is important and how it will help you achieve your broader aspirations. Finally, time-bound. Every goal needs a target date, so you have a deadline to focus on and something to work towards. This helps prevent everyday tasks from taking priority over your longer-term goals. By setting SMART goals, you're not just dreaming, you're planning. You're taking actionable steps towards making your dreams a reality. It's about turning those someday aspirations into today achievements. So, gorgeous goal-getters, are you ready to transform your dreams into reality? Remember, it's not just about setting goals, it's about setting SMART goals. Let's make it happen together. Dream it, goal it, crush it. Let's go! First up, S for specific. When we talk about dreams and goals, specificity is key. It's not enough to have a general idea of what you want. You need to drill down to the nitty-gritty details. Vague dreams lead to vague results. Imagine trying to navigate through a fog. You can barely see a few steps ahead. That's what it's like when your dreams are not specific. I want to be successful sounds nice, but what does that even mean, right? Instead, get crystal clear. Define what success looks like for you. Is it financial freedom? Is it achieving a certain position in your career? Or perhaps it's about personal growth and happiness. Do you want to write a best-selling novel? If so, what genre will it be? Who is your target audience? How many words will it have? The more details you can provide, the better. Land your dream job in tech? What role are you aiming for? Which companies are you targeting? What skills do you need to acquire to make yourself a top candidate? Run a marathon in under 4 hours? How many miles will you run each week? What will your training schedule look like? What diet will you follow to ensure peak performance? The more specific you are, the more your brain can map out the steps to get there. Your brain loves clarity. When you provide it with a clear target, it can work out the most efficient path to reach it. Think of it like plugging an exact address into your GPS. If you just enter a city, you might get lost, but with a precise address, you get turn-by-turn directions. No more getting lost in the land of someday. When your goals are specific, you can take actionable steps every day to move closer to them. You can measure your progress and make adjustments as needed. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small step you take will bring you closer to your ultimate dream. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Each milestone is a testament to your progress and keeps you motivated. Share your specific goals with others. When you articulate your dreams clearly, you invite support and collaboration from those around you. Visualize your success. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your specific goals. This keeps your dreams at the forefront of your mind. Practice mindfulness and focus on your goals daily. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your success and reaffirming your commitment to your dreams. Keep a journal to track your progress. Write down your specific goals, the steps you are taking, and reflect on your journey. Set deadlines for your goals. Having a timeline creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. Be prepared to face challenges. Specific goals often require hard work and perseverance. Stay committed and don't let setbacks deter you. And finally, celebrate your achievements. When you reach your specific goals, take the time to acknowledge your hard work and enjoy your success. Then, set new specific goals and continue the journey. Life is a continuous process of growth and achievement. Keep dreaming, keep planning, and keep moving forward with laser focus. Next up, M, for measurable. You've got to track your progress, my friend. How else will you know you're moving in the right direction? Let's say your goal is to save $5,000 this year. Break it down. That's about $417 a month or $104 a week. See? Measurable milestones. Choose metrics that make sense for your goal. Numbers, percentages, deadlines, whatever helps you stay accountable and celebrate those mini wins along the way. Now for A, achievable. Dreaming big is amazing, but we also gotta be real. If you're currently only running a mile, aiming for a marathon next month might be a tad ambitious. Start with something challenging yet doable, like a 5K. Remember, success breeds success. Each small win fuels your confidence and propels you towards those bigger, bolder goals. Section 5R is for relevant goals that align with your soul. Time for R, relevant. Your goals should light you up like a Christmas tree, not drain your energy like a vampire. Ask yourself, does this goal align with my values? Does it excite me? Does it move me closer to the life I envision? If the answer is a resounding yes, you're on the right track. If not, it might be time to reassess and choose a goal that truly resonates with your soul. Section 6T is for time-bound. Set your deadline for awesome. Setting a deadline is not just about marking a date on your calendar. It's about creating a sense of urgency and a clear time frame for achieving your goals. When you set a deadline, you give yourself a target to aim for, which can be incredibly motivating. Last but not least, T, time-bound. This is the final piece of the puzzle in setting effective goals. Without a deadline, your goal can easily become a distant dream that you keep pushing further and further away. A time-bound goal ensures that you stay focused and committed. A goal without a deadline is like a ship without a rudder. Imagine setting sail on a vast ocean without any direction. You might have the best ship and the most skilled crew, but without a rudder, you'll just drift aimlessly. The same goes for your goals. Without a deadline, you lack direction and purpose. It might drift along, but it's unlikely to reach its destination. You may find yourself working hard, but without a clear endpoint, your efforts can feel scattered and unproductive. A deadline gives you a clear destination to work towards, making your journey more focused and efficient. Give your goal a clear time frame. This means setting a specific date by which you aim to achieve your goal. Whether it's a week, a month, or a year, having a deadline helps you break down your goal into manageable steps and track your progress along the way. This creates urgency and helps you prioritize. When you know you have a limited amount of time to achieve something, you're more likely to focus on what's important and avoid distractions. A deadline can be a powerful motivator, pushing you to take action and stay on track. When will you achieve your goal? Think about the time frame that makes sense for your specific goal. Is it something you can accomplish in a week, or will it take several months of dedicated effort? Be realistic, but also challenge yourself to push beyond your comfort zone. This week, this month, this year, consider the nature of your goal and the steps required to achieve it. Break it down into smaller milestones and set deadlines for each one. This way, you can track your progress and stay motivated as you move closer to your ultimate goal. Mark it on your calendar, set reminders, and get ready to celebrate when you hit that deadline like the rock star you are. Achieving a goal by your deadline is a moment of triumph. It's a testament to your hard work, dedication, and ability to stay focused. So set your deadline, stay committed, and enjoy the journey towards achieving your awesome goal. Section 7. Smart Goals in Action, from idea to reality. Let's see smart goals in action. Say you want to write a book. A smart goal could be, I will write a 50,000-word fantasy novel, finishing the first draft by December 31st of this year. I'll track my progress by writing 1,000 words per day, 5 days a week. See? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Boom! Section 8. Tracking your progress. Celebrate every win. Now that you've got your SMART goals, let's talk tracking. This doesn't have to be fancy. Use a planner, a journal, an app, whatever works for you. Break your goal down into smaller milestones and check them off as you go. And here's the fun part. Celebrate those wins. Treat yourself to a movie night, a fancy latte, or a victory dance party in your living room. You deserve it! Section 9. Don't fear failure, embrace the detour. Here's a little secret. You won't always hit every milestone perfectly. And guess what? That's okay. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. So embrace the detours, learn from the setbacks, and adjust your course as needed. Remember, you've got this. Section 10. You got this! There you have it, gorgeous goal-getters. The power of smart goals is now in your hands. Use it wisely, dream big, and watch your life transform. Now go out there and make it happen.